Okay, for number 1, we have to find the area of the triangle. So we take 1/4 times 3 squared times the square root of 3, and we get 25 over 4 times the square root of 3. For number 2, find the area and the perimeter of the polygon. So we have A equals A equals 12 times cosine 22.5, x equals 12 times sine 22.5. Then we have the side equaling 24 sine 22.5. And P equals 192 sine 22.5. And the area, to find it, we have 1/2 times 12 cosine 22.5 times 192 sine 22.5. We have 360 divided by 8 because that's how many sides there are. And that equals 45, and then divide that by 2 and you get 22.5. So that the area is 407.29 and the perimeter is 73.47. For number 3, we have 360 divided by 5 because that's how many sides there are. And that equals 72, and then you divide by 2 and you get 36. So A equals 7 cosine 36, x equals 7 sine 36. And then we have the side equaling 161 sine 36 and perimeter equaling 70 sine 36. And then to find the area, we have A equaling 1/2 times 7 cosine 36 times 70 sine 36. And when you multiply that out, you have 116.5, and the perimeter is 41.144. So for number 4, to find the area and the perimeter of a regular triangle, we have 360 divided by 8 because that's how many sides there are, and that equals 45. Divide by 2, you get 22.5. So we have A equaling A and x equaling A tangent 22.5. The side equals 18 tangent 22.5. And P equals 268.41. So the area equals 1/2 times 9 times 144 tangent 22.5. And that the perimeter equals 59.646. And for number 5, find the area of the shaded region. So we have A equals, well, first we have 360 divided by 10 because that's how many sides there are, and you get 36, and you divide that by 2 and you have 18. So A equals 11.56 cosine 18, and x equals 11.56 sine 18. Then a side equals 23.12512 sine 18, and p equals 23, 231.2 sine 18. So then the area equals half times 11.56 cosine 18 times 231.2 sine 18. And you have 392.79, and then you have pi times 11.56 squared. So you have 419.82 minus 342.73, and that equals 27.083. Number 6, find the area of the shaded region. You have 93 over 360 times pi times 75 squared minus half times 15 sine 46.5 times 7.5 cosine 46.5, and x equals 7.5 sine 46.5. The base of it equals 15 sine 46.5, and the h equals 9.5 cosine 46.5, and the area is 17.56. For number 7, find the area of the shaded region. We draw a triangle and the hypotenuse is 6. So we have 1/4 times 108 times the square root of 3, and multiply that out, and you have one side equaling 6 times the square root of 3. And the area will equal 1/4 times the side squared times the square root of 3. So we know that part of the triangle will be 3 square roots of 3. And then we have pi times 6 squared minus 27 times the square root of 3. And the area is 66.332. And for number 8, to find the area of the shaded region, you have 92 divided by 360 times pi times 5.4 squared minus half times 10.8 sine 46 times 54 cosine 46. Then we have 23.41 minus 14.57 equaling 8.84 times 2, and that equals 17.68, so that's your answer.